Hello and welcome to Educate. In today's session, we're gonna learn about lookalike audiences and how to create them on Facebook Business Manager. First, we need to go to business.facebook.com and then we go to our account. And in case you don't have a Business Ads Manager account yet, please check the link on top of the screen. Okay, then we go to our business account. We go to the menu, we scroll down and we go to audiences. For you to create lookalike audiences, first you have to have audiences themselves. So basically you need to create audiences here, custom audience. And then after you have this custom audience, you will create your lookalike audience. If you want to know how to create a custom audience, there's a video that can help you as well on my channel. Please go to the link on top of the screen and you can find it there. So we go to lookalike audience. And here you choose which source you want to take this lookalike audience from. So here you can find it under other sources. Let's say we want a lookalike audience for this one. So let's explain a little bit what a lookalike audience is. A lookalike audience is an automated audience created by Facebook for you based on your basic audiences that you have. Let's say you created a custom audience about visitors of your website for the past 180 days or 90 days, whatever. Then you want to target people who have similar interests or behavior as the ones who actually visited your website. This will help you reach more people under the same interest and behavior. So let's continue with the setup. So we said basically you pick the custom audience and then you pick the location where you want this audience to be from. Let's say Lebanon. You can pick the country. If you are wondering what this percentage is, this percentage will define how close this lookalike audience is to the custom audience that you already have. The lower the number, the more close this lookalike audience will be to the interests and behavior of the custom audience that you have. The bigger the number, the more broad this audience will be. So it's always better to start with 1% or maximum 2% of the population. And then you click create audience. That's it. You will have it here, lookalike 1% of the audience, the custom audience that you pick. That's it, my friends. That's all I have to say about lookalike audiences. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos related to digital marketing. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.